Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll explore what is DBMS and the different types you might come across. DBMS is a program that allows users to store, retrieve, and run queries on data. So, let's get started.
First up, we have the classic relational databases. These include popular systems like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle database. They organize data into tables with rows and columns, making them ideal for structured data and complex queries.
Next, we have NoSQL databases, such as MongoDB and Cassandra. Unlike relational databases, NoSQL databases offer flexibility in data modeling and are designed to handle large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data efficiently.
Moving on, we have object-oriented databases. These include DB4O and ObjectDB, which store objects rather than data in tables. They're perfect for environments that use object-oriented programming.
Graph databases like Neo4j and Amazon Neptune are next on our list. They specialize in representing and querying complex relationships between data entities using graph structures.
Document databases, such as MongoDB and Couchbase, store data in JSON-like documents, providing flexibility in data representation and schema evolution. And there you have it, folks. A brief overview of the different types of databases and the unique features they offer. Whether you're building a small app or managing big data, choosing the right database is key to success.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!